TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. The holiday season is among us and it has me so excited, but I am back with another data entry work from home job lead before we kick off the weekend. But real quickly, just a few reminders. I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, so please make sure you always do your own research, and the links to everything are in the description box below. But with that being said, today's job lead is from a staffing agency. Now, the staffing agency is called a People Share. They are located out of, I think, Pennsylvania, but this job listing does not actually say that they don't hire outside of there. And I was told by someone who I get my reliable job leads from that this was hiring nationwide, but you might want to double check that if you are interested. But the staffing agency People Share, I will have all these linked in the description box below. They have a 4.3 out of 5-star rating on Indeed, and they also have a 4.4 out of 5-star rating on GlassDoor. So they seem like a great company to work for. Again, I'll link these down below if you want to go read the reviews. Never shy away from a staffing agency, even though sometimes it is a temporary position. They can turn into your dream permanent positions. A lot of places don't want to have to go through the rigmarole and the legal things they have to do if someone doesn't work out to fire them. So that's why they use temp agencies. And then when you work for a temp job and then you actually work out, the company will then hire you on as a permanent employee. So temp agencies are a great way to find an actual permanent position, but they are hiring a remote work from home data entry transcriptionist. They're paying $16 an hour. They also offer paid training, and the remote training you have to attend is 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. But after that, your 40-hour remote schedule after training is flexible. So they do offer flexible schedules after training. The basics of the job is transcribing calls, included but not limited to satisfaction survey responses, medical conditions, prescription drug names, and member information. And you'll transcribe those recorded audio from the phone-based interaction. So they are looking for someone who can type at least 50 words per minute, who can work independently with minimal supervision, and who is proficient in Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook, and the internet, like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, all of those things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.